I would like to be a wolf, because they are a protective species. They like to protect their mate, like my wife, and I will always protect my wife no matter what. And we always mate for life, and they have a very sexual lifestyle. They're never ending making love, so that fits me like a glove. And we're just kind and compassionate, and they have nothing but love and respect for their master or mistress. And my wife, I know she would like to be a bird, so I'll ask her, and she'll probably agree actually, to fly us over to a deserted island. No government and no harmful people will ever find us, and we just live off fish and the fruit on the island and just live happily ever after. I love my wife very much, and I think we'll be happy.